Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Keely, and in today's video we are doing a little bit of a POV video. Today I'm just doing a little bit of a mini rain photo shoot. It is raining right now, so we're gonna see what kind of shots we can get. Probably pretty simple, nothing too extravagant or special, but I do like to get up and out because one, it's good for practice, and two, practice helps you make a better photographer. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and shoot with my Nikon D3200. If you are new here, please consider subscribing down below and hitting that post notification bell so you will never miss a future upload. And with all that out of the way, let's just get right on into this video. goodness, it is so windy outside, you guys. Throughout this video, I actually had a lot of fun going out and shooting today, and if you guys don't know, I did shoot this on the Akaso V50X. I do have a review on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, it will be up in the information cards. Today's photos were pretty simple. Got some cool reflection shots, some awesome tree shots. I love shooting trees, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see all of the photos that I took today, you guys can head on over to my Instagram, which is at K.M.Longoria, and I would love to see you guys over there. If you guys are out shooting in the rain too, feel free to tag me on Instagram so that I can see your guys' photos, because I would love to communicate with you guys. If you guys would like to support this channel, me, or become a part of the photography YouTube fam, you guys to shop from my Teespring store. So on my Teespring store, I have a lot of photography related merch, so if you guys want to, the link will forever and always will be down in the description box below if you guys would like to check it out. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.